got a front row seat for what might be the biggest fire of the year.
Yeah.
Takže ahojte ľudia, toto je už štvrtá časť Firewatch. Takže tak, pokračujeme v podstate tam, kde sme skončili na minulom streame.
Really going.
I'm gonna call it in. They'll send in a hotshot crew for some suppression, but I bet we'll be stuck with her for the rest of the summer. And she doesn't have a name yet. I usually think of something funny or something practical or a little risque when coming up with them. But why don't you do the honors?
Well, we should just call it the Big Fire if we think it's going to be.
The big fire.
Yeah.
Well, that is practical.
Always my goal.
I'm actually amazed we've never used that name.
Sometimes the best names are the most obvious.
The big fire it is. So there's this creek down the hill, and, you know what my favorite thing to do is?
What's that?
I love to take a bottle of whatever I have on hand, plunge it deep into the water, and let it chill in there all day. And then, on nights like tonight, when it is so disgustingly hot, I have something nice and cool to drink. I learned that from my sister in Santa Fe. She'd do that with a bottle of tequila near her house and make margaritas the size of your head. You'd like it there.
Taká otázka, kde mám ísť, čo myslíte, pretože neviem prečo, ale idem ku tomu ohňu.
Are you
No,
looking at the fire?
No, I'm not.
You should. Let me know when you are.
Okay, I'm looking at it again.
I love how they look at night. During the day, it's just smoke, but when the sun is down, you can just get lost.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're here.
aha, sa nemám rozprávať, hej.
Sure you are.
I am.
I don't know what that means.
It doesn't matter. I get it. With Julie and everything, you probably don't want to be here.
I don't know if that's true.
Forget I said anything. I just meant I like that you're here. Why don't we both just go watch this fire and try to imagine all the old, dead things it's burning away?
Aha, takže sme sa iba mali porozprávať. OK.
You're going fishing without a license?
It's one fish, and I'm sick of all the stuff I got to eat.
No, I won't tell anyone you're a poacher.
Kde je
That
rieka?
reminds me, I
Kto
keep
vie?
hearing reports from Fish and Game about...
A taktiež som vytvoril svoj server na Discorde, takže keď chcete sa tam môžete pripojiť a pokecať so mnou. Po streame tam, no po streame ma tam v podstate nájdete, no aspoň dúfam. Takže keď sa tam chcete porozprávať alebo sa ma chcete niečo opýtať, tak kľudne môžete. Hej, nikoho nenútim. Je to len a len na vás. A vraciam sa späť k hre.
about a problem bear they're trying to keep tabs on. Can you search around the lake for fresh tracks and just let me know what you find? There was a crew burning fire lines out to the east, and, you know, I think sometimes it riles up the wildlife.
Sure, no problem. Remember me fondly.
You were such a drama queen.
Ja mám taký pocit, že som vyhodil tento,
I can't believe I'm gonna leave this planet as a pile of bear shit.
jak sa volá, že som vyhodil tú ulicu. Omylom.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah.
Je to tak, že neviem, v nastaveniach možno controls, no. Climb views. Nie, strafe. Vyšlet kamera. To nie je ono, to tiež nie je ono, to tiež nie je ono. Mám taký pocit, že som kus strátil ulicu, ale iba kus, hej. To nie je až také vážne. Ale dobre, srandy, ale neviem, dám, no myslím, že mi to pomôže najskôr.
Fishing without a license?
It's one fish, and I'm sick of all the stuff I got to eat.
won't tell anyone you're a poacher. That reminds me, I keep hearing reports from Fish and Game about a problem bear they're trying to keep tabs on. Can you search around the lake for fresh tracks and just let me know what you find? There was a crew burning fire lines out to the east, and, I think sometimes it riles up the wildlife.
Problem bear? Fuck that. I am of the opinion that they are all problems.
Come on, please.
Ugh. Can't believe I'm gonna leave this planet as a pile of bear shit.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah.
Takže mám ísť v podstate tým smerom. A zase niekde tá ulica zmizla a ja neviem kde. Nie, kamera to není ono. To vôbec není ono. Neviem, čo mám robiť, tak náhodne stlačam písmená čísla na klávesnici. Ale ako vidím, mi to nepomôže. OK? Čo už, stáva sa. Jaj.
Fishing without a license?
It's one fish, and I'm sick of all the stuff I got to eat.
No, I won't tell anyone you're a poacher. That reminds me, I keep hearing reports from Fish and Game about a problem bear they're trying to keep tabs on. Can you search around the lake for fresh tracks and just let me know what you find? There was a crew burning fire lines out to the east, and, I think sometimes it riles up the wildlife.
Aha, tak ja si idem správne, pretože tu som bol minule. Aj keď nie.
Come on, you just have
Alebo...
to look for tracks, that's it.
Aha, hej, dobre.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah.
Aha. Akože nechcem nič hovoriť, ale pochybujem, že by to bolo v realite možné. Ale OK. A teraz... Počkať, čo mám robiť? Taká otázka ma zaujíma. Hej. Search lakeside. Dobre. Aj keď... neviem, či mi ulica pomôže v tomto. Aha, ďalej do vody ísť nemôžem. OK. Neviem, poďme sem niekde, pretože... Aha, nie, to mi nepomôže nejak. OK. Tak potom... Neviem, budem behať tu na medzi krikmi. Možno predsa len niečo nájdem. Hej, nejaké tie medvedie stopy. Pretože mal som ísť sem, hej. A teraz mám hľadať tie stopy v podstate, hej. Ale žiadne tu... Ja som... Skaj som vôbec prišiel. Ja neviem ani, ale zatiaľ som žiadne stopy nenašiel. A neviem, či to je dobre, či to je zlé. Nie, ďalej nemôžem ísť aj tak. OK. Takže súdicou pôjde, hej. Alebo nie? No, predsa len, hej. Dobre. Neviem, tak poďme sa prechádzať ďalej. Možno ma táto, neviem... Možno ma to niekde privedie. Nie, zatiaľ mi to nič nedalo. OK. Tak potom neviem. Nenapadá ma zatiaľ nič. Že kde by som mal ísť. Lebo mám za úlohu nájsť tie medvedie stopy, hej. Niekde tu. Ulicu si asi beriem so sebou. Aby som sa mal čím brániť. Dajte mi chvíľu. Už som tu a no, neviem, skúsim sa vrátiť na úplný začiatok. No, dobre, tak keď sa mi to podarí. Ja neviem, kde mám hľadať tie stopy. No, aspoň ja tu žiadne nevidím, hej. Ale aj tak. Ja som sem prišiel, som vyšiel stade, nie? Zdakade, sa mi zdá. Hej, áno, stade som presne prišiel. No. Nie. Aha, to som si len teraz všimol. Čo je to? To vyhodím? Môžem to zobrať? Čo je to?
What the? D, I found a clipboard down here, and
Aha.
there's something strange going on.
At the lake? What's up?
Someone has written down what we said to each other, have been saying.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't talk to the other lookouts as much as I talk to you, not in the same way.
No way.
Wait, hold on. Something's out here.
Henry? I'm worried.
Počkaj.
You didn't find and eat any mushrooms, did you? I mean, they can be fun, but also, you know...
Kde som to vyhodil? Mňa toto zaujíma.
Regardless, just let me know, okay, Buckaroo? Oh god, I don't know why I just called you that.
Ako, neviem, kde mi to zmizlo, hej, ale... Ok, strange noise, Dark Canyon, aha. Tak, no, čo mi iné ostáva, hej? Vysielačka. Jaj.
Henry? Are you there? What happened, Henry?
Holy hell, I got hit in the head. Punched or something by someone.
Are you serious? What the hell is going on out there?
I don't know. Jesus Christ.
Let me get this straight. You found a clipboard with, what, transcripts of our conversations? What else is on it?
I don't know. It's gone, along with the radio of theirs. Somebody out here could have just killed me, Delilah.
What the fuck is going on?
What's Wapiti Station?
I don't know.
I saw the name Wapiti Station right before I was cold cocked. Does Wapiti Station mean anything to you?
Wapiti Meadow. Maybe it's Wapiti Meadow. It's on our maps. It's not too far from where you are right now. It's where you saw that damn fence. It's north of the lake. It looks like there should be a trail somewhere on the north shore of Jonesy Lake.
I'll start hiking that way now. God damn it, my head.
Are you sure you saw what you saw, Henry? Maybe you pissed off some more campers and they came back to sucker punch you. This just seems like a misunderstanding or something.
There are people listening to our conversations. The person or these people were hiding in the bushes down here. What the fuck, D?
I don't know, Henry. This sounds crazy.
Yeah, and you're not the one who just saw our words on a clipboard out in the middle of nowhere.
Those words were from 2 weeks ago.
I know they were. So what's to say that they don't have transcripts from 3, 4, or 5 weeks ago?
Our entire relationship, friendship, our whole summer.
Someone is out here with a walkie-talkie, taking notes and talking to God knows who. What do you think is going on behind that fence?
Apparently a lot of following you around taking notes, which is unfucking believable, Henry.
Yeah, you're telling me. All right, I'm on my way to Wapiti Meadow. I'll let you know what I find.
Okay. There's got to be a reasonable explanation. Also, I'm gonna call around and see if anyone's had anything weird happen to them or seemed spooked. I don't want to make this bigger than it is yet, you know?
Okay, I'm at the fence. I don't see anyone around, but I'm not sure I can get past it.
How big is it?
Big. It goes off in both directions, acres. And what are the odds they left the gate unlocked?
Pretty low, I'd imagine.
Okay. I've given it the good college try. No dice.
Shit.
I don't know how long I can dick around out here until someone notices.
God, if you were an actual firefighter, you'd have that gate down in 2 shakes. Hey, actually, those guys doing the controlled burn, they might be able to help.
Where are they?
Beyond Ruby River, there's a scout camp. They burned a line a few days ago that should let you hike right to them.
Well, that's great.
If they haven't left, they're probably the type of guys who would help you get through that fence.
Gdzie to je? Aj toż tam je sypana. A z druhej strany, keď sa na to pozriem, hej, tak tá mapa, že hej, tak to mi príde veľká, ale nie v pohode sa to dá prejsť. Ale hej, aspoň dúfam. Dobre. Môžem bežať ďalej. V podstate. Sú tu tí, čo už túto hru niekedy... Dajte mi chvíľu. Čo túto hru niekedy prešli? Ak hej, tak čo bolo za tými dverami? No, alebo ako to nazvať za tou branou? Neviem, lebo ma to celkom až zaujíma. Takže možno tam bude nejaké, neviem, stredisko? Alebo ako to nazvať, hej, že kde nás odpočúvali? Uvidíme, no. Takže mám ísť z jedného konca mapy na druhý koniec mapy a stále mám ísť naspäť tam, niekde, hej. Zatiaľ to vyzerá tak, no. Neviem. Nechce sa mi to nejak veľmi robiť. Ale z druhej strany to rýchlo prejdem.
Should we call the cops or the Forest Service and let them know this is going on?
Don't you think that would sound, crazy?
Yeah, it is crazy. We have to tell someone.
Tell them what, Henry? Tell them we're being stalked and you were attacked and we don't have any proof?
I don't know. Tell them we're being bothered or something.
Henry, I really like this job, okay? And if I give off even a hint of cuckoo to my bosses, they are never gonna let me come back out here. Do you understand that?
All right. I'm headed toward the camp anyway.
Okay. Keep your radio close to you.
Hey, what you just said, keep my radio close to me.
Yeah?
Before I got attacked back at the lake, I saw a radio on the ground, kind of like the one I use.
And?
Do you think that maybe someone was,
I don't know. What?
maybe intercepting our frequency with other radios or something?
Henry...
It's just a thought.
I don't even know how you would do that.
Yeah, well, you sound worried.
No, I'm not. Okay, let's not spin out of control. Just keep hiking.
Whatever you say, boss.
OK, tak začal som sa aj ja dopýtol, že čo sa to vlastne stalo a kto bola tá neznáma osoba, hej, ktorá
I know
na
we
nás
don't know what's
zaútočila.
going on yet, but I don't have a good feeling. I don't like feeling vulnerable. It's not like you can just call the police. I was thinking about the Goodwins. It just struck me that if anything weird like this happened to them, happened to Brian, just how scared he would have been.
Hey, maybe he'd actually enjoy it. You know, spies, taking notes, walkie-talkies. Whole thing might actually be fun if you're too young to realize how creepy it is.
That's one way of looking at it.
He's fine, D. It was 3 years ago. He's in high school now. He's on summer break.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Takže teraz pôjdem rovno. A tu myslím. Dúfam, hej.
Oh, the big fire isn't going anywhere, huh?
No, that's why those guys came out to burn that line. It's at the stage where all we can do is pay attention to it.
They're not gonna try to put it out?
Not yet, apparently.
OK. Nie som si istý, či idem správnym smerom, ale vyzerá to tak, že áno. No, prišiel som niekde. Tu rieku prejdem a potom doľava. Dobre. Jeden, dva, tri, štyri. Čo tam bude? OK, teraz mám ísť rovno a doľava, hej.
I found where they did the controlled burn. I can hike right through here now.
Sypano.
Yeah, normally they wouldn't do that so close to a body of water, but I think they're extra worried about a fire jumping the river and burning up to two forks, now that there's someone in it.
Well, I'm extra appreciative of that.
Let's see. The scout camp is southeast of the river. There should be a pond on the way.
Got it. There's an old pond out here, not much more than a pile of mud. Do you have it on your map? There's some old snowmobiles out here.
That's crazy.
What happens if a controlled burn gets out of control?
Someone gets fired.
Ugh, are you serious?
Oh, come on. That one was an honest accident. I'm not even in the mood for wordplay. That's how wound up all this shit has me.
Ide správne vôbec? Hej, vyzerá tak, že áno, OK.
The bridge to the camp is out.
Damn.
I'm gonna walk the ravine and see if I can find some high ground to get across.
Good plan.
Pôjdem sem niekde sa pozrieť z hora. No, alebo pôjdem tak, OK. No,
I'm at the camp.
Great. Have a look around. If anyone's still there, they might be able to help.
I guess these little shelters are where they keep the Weeblos.
For the past 35 years, yeah.
How many hikers go missing in the Shoshone?
Why? You don't think you're gonna end up on a milk carton, do you?
I found an old flyer for a missing hiker. It just got me thinking, that's all. Like how you said one day you were talking to the Goodwins and then the next you weren't.
Ned Goodwin didn't get mauled by a bear or
on sa kus podobá na hlavného hrdinu, no aspoň mne to
stuck
tak
in a
príde,
ravine.
hej.
He was just
Na
a
fotke ten
PTSD
minč.
a-hole who dragged his son out to do a job and realized it was a bad idea.
PTSD? That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, I don't know. He was in the army. He was off. It's actually the saddest story. He was only discharged because his mother, Brian's grandmother, died. She'd been taking care of him, and Ned was the only next of kin.
Yeah, these guys are gone. Found where they were sitting around before getting picked up.
Damn.
Čo mám teraz robiť? Tak, no, nikoho som zatiaľ nenašiel. Ale keď pôjdem tým smerom... dobre, tak nepôjdem tým smerom. Ale si myslím, že niekde tu... určite nájdem nejakú sekeru, aspoň dúfam, hej. Lebo neviem ako... Prečo nemôžem ísť... No, dobre. No, dúfam, že nájdem nejakú sekeru, aby som mohol prejsť ďalej. Uvidíme, keď nie, tak neviem, no, čo budem robiť. Tak, no, dobre. Dáva sa. No, nikoho som zatiaľ nenašiel, no. Asi tak. Ja vôbec neviem, čo tu mám robiť, alebo kde mám hľadať... kde mám hľadať sekeru. No. No. Aha, dobre. OK. Neviem, tam som bol. Tam som tiež bol. Chcel som to... bol som všade, si myslím, hej. Neviem, skúsim ešte raz pozrieť. No, nie wiem čo mám robiť. Hej, som sa tu už domotal úplne. A keď pôjdem smerom naspäť, akože, no pochybujem, že mi to, hej, nejak pomôže. Pretože pretože som mal nájsť hasičov, áno, ktorých som nenašiel. A, no, a neviem, čo tu mám ešte robiť. Ok, tu si nechám. Ja neviem, čo mám robiť, no. Dajte mi chvíľu. Hej, možno ma predsa len niečo napadne. Aha, som si nevšimol sekeru. Aj u mňa je to... No, u mňa sa to... Mne sa často stáva, že si nevšímam veci. Hej, ale no. Nemyslel som si, že to až tak bude. Dobre, môžem ísť teraz tým smerom. Dobre. A kde mám ísť? Kto mi povie? Tak, jediné, čo mi tu vychádza zatiaľ, hej. Aha, jasne, môžem tade to Dobre, môžem asi tade to prejsť. A 2. A 3. No, jaký silný. OK. To som nečakal. Kde som teraz? Teraz som tu. A idem po cestičke teraz tým smerom, hej.
So, uh, here's a funny thing about old Delilah.
Okay.
I'm a bit of a pack rat.
I have no doubt that this is relevant information.
I keep everything. I mean, I have an entire drawer of parking tickets from like 7 states.
Wow, that's very thorough yet completely irresponsible of you. Congrats.
But I'm not so good with the following up with stuff part.
So, those parking tickets.
Yeah, they're all unpaid. I'm the scourge of every meter made from here to Mexico. Anywho, I was digging through all of my documents and memos and updates, and I found something from April about a fence in the middle of the woods at Wapiti Meadows.
Delilah.
I know. It's about how we're supposed to report any damage to our bosses or university officials.
University?
Because they're doing some sort of study. It's a research site. So, the question is, what do we think they're studying?
I think they're studying me.
Because of what happened to you before. Everything with Julia.
Yeah. Maybe they're studying the effects of something like that? Grief? Grief when you have no other choice but to be alone with your thoughts?
So they set up an entire site just for you?
Maybe.
Oof. I think we should allow for the possibility that this is all just a big misunderstanding, but... God, if you saw what you said you did... Fuck, Henry.
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay. So what's next?
Just on my way back, in and out of trees in the middle of nowhere.
Do you see anybody?
No, definitely not.
All right. So, tell me what you think of this. Did you just cough?
No. Did you just cough?
No.
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
fuck.
There isn't any way someone, like, another lookout could be on this line, is there?
No. Not without tapping our radios. Get in your tower, shut the door. Don't leave, and don't use your radio. I'll call you. Understand?
Okay.
I will call you.
Ahoj, iba jeden deň prešiel. Myslel som si, že viacej, ale okej. No.
Thoroughfare Tower, this is Two Forks calling you for the, 50th time today. The big fire continues to move in a southerly fashion. Delilah, for fuck's sake, answer your radio.
Hello, sunshine. Sorry, went out for a little bit. What can I do you for?
You can do me for a trip out of here. I don't care if it's on horseback or a helicopter or in a canoe. Just get me out of here.
Henry, we have work left to do. Let's chat about what's bothering you and you'll feel better.
Hej, a teraz porovnajte,
Are you serious?
hej, túto tvár.
Let's talk. Okay?
Hej, lebo ja keď pozerám na tie dve fotky, tak neviem, no. Neviem, mne prídu, že sú rovnaké. Ale, no, akže zas každému niečo iné, hej, no, ja chápem. Ale aj tak. Neviem, tí dvaja sa na seba, by som povedal, že veľmi podobajú, čo sa týka tvare. Hej, na chvíľu prepnem. Takže, no, to je jedna. To je, no, to je hlavný hrdina. A tam je, no, fotka, ktorú som našiel. No. Neviem, keď ich, no, aspoň ja keď sa na nich pozerám, tak tam vidím akože tu, no, dobre, tak je tam nejaká tá zhoda, hej. Ale aj tak. No, dobre, to som iba chcel ukázať a môžem sa vrátiť späť ku hre.
Okay.
By the way, I was wondering if your Flora of the Shoshone info poster was still up inside your tower?
What?
It's just protocol that those stay up. You know, info about your tower, the surrounding tree species, etc.
All right.
Just, you know, have a look at it. Make sure it's in ship shape.
Some fire smoke. Fluffy. Aha.
Okay, yeah, it's up. Why are you acting like this?
Great. Just wonderful. Do you see the tree in the top row, second from the left?
No.
Let me look at it and I'll tell you.
No. You don't need to tell me. Just, internalize it. It's a great tree. And there's an area called, that tree's name in your sector that maybe you should take a midday hike to. Maybe.
Which tree am I supposed to internalize again?
Top row, second from the left. Head to a
Tento, hej.
place named after that tree, and you'll have a wonderful afternoon.
Aha, takže máme tu požiar, hej, veľký. A ona mi navrhuje, aby som sa išiel pozrieť. Akože, prečo nie? Okej. ak sa to volalo, dajte mi chvíľu. Neviem, no zatiaľ to tu nevidím, by som povedal. Aha, tam je to, ten Cottonwood Creek. Počkať, ona mi teraz povedala, že som tam šiel pozrieť, hej. No respektíve áno, ona mi to aj povedala. Takže idem tam, no prečo nie? Aj, zase? OK, zase idem sem.
Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I should go for a hike.
Nothing like an afternoon in the Rockies, I tell ya. Radio me the moment you get there.
OK, ideme tam. No, čo mi neostáva? Hej. Takže teraz týmto smerom by som mal ísť. Aspoň myslím. Nie. Keď sa otočím doľava a pôjdem tam. Hej, to je ono. Dobre. No aspoň myslím, že to je ono. Predsa len, hej, je to správna cesta. Dobre. Aha, dobre, okej. Okej, idem ďalej. Prešiel som rovno a doprava, okej. Dobre. Ale pekný je to strom, hej, má pravdu, že budem mať nádherný výhľad. No, prišiel som. A čo mám teraz robiť? Kto mi povie? Lebo, no, možno mám ísť sem hore k tomu stromu, alebo, no, neviem. No, prišiel som, no a neviem v podstate, čo teraz. No, veľký strom, okej. Nie. Hm. Dobre, neviem, čo tu mám robiť, hej. Ale je tu pekne, hej.
I'm here at Cottonwood Creek.
You see the cash box there?
Must be around here somewhere.
It is. Find it and open it. I changed the code. It's 5678.
Are you kidding me?
I was in a rush.
Gdzie je? Mm, Nie wiem, ja tu nigdzie nie widzim zatiaľ. No, zatiaľ. Žiaden box. A tam niečo je. Ale nechápem, čo mám s grafikou teraz. Hej. To vyzerá... No, nič moc, hej.
Okay, found the cash box.
Great, open it.
Okej.
I've got it now.
Good. I spent all day getting you that radio. I hiked to a cash box, lied to a ranger, lied to another ranger, and hopefully you are now holding a clean, untapped radio.
Hopefully.
Holy fuck, Henry, we have to get into that site.
What the fuck is going on? People are listening to us?
I don't know.
Our radios are tapped? Are you fucking serious?
Our radios are definitely tapped. That's why I left you the one you just got.
How is this even possible?
Chcel by som skončiť stream, aj keď chápem, že ste asi zvedaví, čo bude ďalej, ale sa necítim dobre a na zajtra toho ešte mám veľa, tak no, tak kvôli tomu. Hej, ďakujem, že ste tu boli, hej. Ďakujem, majte sa.